Hey, what's up you guys? This is Bart coming to you from TST Industries in Florida, bringing you another episode of TST Garage. In this episode, I have a Kawasaki Ninja 650 in the shop with me. The installation I'm about to show you also applies to the Z650 motorcycle. What we're going to focus on today is demonstrating the installation of the Womet-Tech Swingarm Spools and Swingarm Spool sliders. I'm only going to show this installation with one set of these parts. They're essentially meant for the same purpose. They mount to your swing arm on the OEM provided bosses and enable paddock standing on a race stand like this. We typically use Pitbull. This is top quality. We use it in our racing program. We also sell these on our website, so if you're interested in a stand, we got you covered there too. The aluminum ones are anodized. They come in several different colors. These larger slider ones are made of Delrin, so these actually enable you to have a sliding surface on the rear of the bike in case you do go down. These provide first point of impact and some sliding protection. We've had varying results with the sliders mounted on the swing arm. On certain race bikes, we prefer not to have large components protruding off the swing arm, but the choice is ultimately up to you. All I'm going to do is show you how to install them. So when you take these out of the package, you will have the two aluminum parts and also the two screws that come inside this little package. Boom, boom. And we're going to go one at a time. Here I have 6mm Allen key. I'm going to align my thread with the thread in the boss. Carefully match the thread and start it. Bottom it out. And I like to torque my bolts, so I'm going to use 18 foot-pounds. And that side is done. I'm going to repeat the procedure on the other side of the motorcycle. All right, now we can throw this bike up on the stand. Just like that. One additional thing I want to mention is that these products are available separately by themselves or as part of a combo package we call Total Protection Pack. Total Protection Pack comes with frame sliders, bar ends, spools or spool sliders, and also a fork slider that mounts through the front axle. Check these things out at tstindustries.com and we'll see you there.